Hi everyone. So we're going to start today's session with some humming bee breath. So as you will probably remember from your lessons, we always start before we actually start to change anything or to do any release type work. We always start with checking in with our bodies, and then we use our breath to be able to bring us into safety. So we're going to start with that now. So just joining me seated in a comfortable position, and just gently lowering your gaze or closing your eyes to bring your attention inwards. And let's just take a few breaths in and out through the nose just to settle our bodies and bring ourselves into the current moment. So inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose, just gentle breaths. And just check in with your body. So just do a quick scan from your head to your toe. Just ask yourself, well, how am I? What do you notice? Any areas of tension? Does your body feel quite heavy and flat? Or maybe it feels very energetic and buzzy? Or does it feel in the middle? So we're just positioning ourselves. If you imagine two lines, the top line, very buzzy, very energetic, almost too energetic. Bottom line, quite flat, not much feeling, a little bit numb, disconnected. Where are you on those two lines? Or are you in the middle of those two lines? So we're just checking that. And then we're going to start some humming bee breath. So humming bee breath, fantastic for nervous system regulation, particularly when we're looking to move into rest and digest state, because the humming stimulates our vagus nerve. And as we're doing the hum, we're having an extended exhale. So the extended exhale again shifts our body into that natural parasympathetic rest and digest. So let's do some rounds together, inhaling through the nose, and then we exhale with the mouth closed with a hum. And you're just exhaling to the end of your breath. Inhale through the nose. And again. And now just see as we exhale with a hum, if we can just drop our shoulders as we do that exhale. So inhaling. Exhale, drop shoulders. On the next hum, let's see if we can have the lips as loose as possible. So we get a lovely vibration going through the mouth and the throat. Inhaling. On the next exhale, let's see if we can make the body as heavy as possible. So wherever you're sitting or joining me from, just wherever your legs and your bum are against, let's just see if we can make our legs and our body as heavy as possible. So inhaling, exhaling. Let's do that again. Inhaling, exhaling heavy. A few more rounds. One more. Good to roll the shoulders up and back. Just move the head side to side. So that everything be loose. Just checking in again with your body after you've done that. Those two lines, just see where you are now, whether it's changed from your previous check-in.